Hey guys, and welcome back to Stencil Me Pretty. Today I'm going to be showing you two different projects in 2 minutes, and I'm going to be showing you a new pro tip that I've been loving to use with my stenciling projects, and it includes outlining and painting the stencil. It gives a really nice crisp look, so let's get right into those projects. This is the type of marker I use for both projects, just a thin tip black marker. And you could honestly use any brand, but this is just the one I use. For this project, I began with a light gray base, stenciled in white, and then just outlined each section of the stencil in a black thin marker for a crisp, modern design, and it came out beautiful. For this project, I used the Sunflower Duo stencil on a white wall, stenciled in a light brown color, and again outlined with that thin black marker, and it just had such an illustrative, fun look to it, and it looked so beautiful with that natural light next to the window. Using this outlining technique really gives that illusion that it is really wallpaper rather than a stenciled wall, and it just gives such that clean, illustrative look that I was going for. If you guys want to check out any more stencils, you can head over to stencilmepretty.com. If you'd like to see any of our recent projects, you can head over to our Instagram at stencilmepretty. This concludes today's video. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did creating it, and I hope to see you at the next one.